So the next method on our Python string method for find and replace is starts with. Now what it does is this particular method, it checks whether string starts with a given substring or not. Yeah. So it checks for the beginning of the string and checks whether the substring is placed at the starting of the string. Yeah. Now this method accepts a prefix string that you want to search for and is invoked on a string object. Now the method can also limit the search end by defining the beginning and starting of the string or the check. Yeah. Usually the syntax again is pretty simple. So, the syntax is the string, the original string where you want to search for the substring. Then you have the method starts with, yeah, and then you have the substring that you want to search whether that is available or not. Yeah, you can also have this optional parameters which starts or the beginning is 0 by default and the ending by default is length of the string as we have seen earlier in my videos. Yeah. Yes. So this particular function returns true or false depending on whether you are able to find that particular substring or not. If I am able to find the substring, then it will give me the value as true. And if not, then it will give me the value as false. Let's quickly jump onto jump onto an example. I'll use this again. It helps me to keep the examples aligned with everything so that you can compare what are the changes that are happening when you're using a particular function in a particular similar string. Yeah. Now, without passing any optional parameters, the method checks whether the string input starts with the substring parameter passed. If yes, it returns true or it will return false. So suppose I have this substring welcome to iScan analyze. Yeah. And I am checking. I don't want to put this substring. I'll directly put it here. I want to check whether this string starts with the string welcome. Yes. And another one, whether it starts with iScan analyze. Yes. I'm checking both. So let's run this. So it gives me true, not the index. It will give me output of the method. Yeah. You can find since welcome is at the start of the string, it is giving me the output as false. Yes. And since iScan analyze is not at the start of the string, it is at the end of the string, it is giving me the output as false. Yeah. So the example here, we are creating a string that is welcome to analyze, iScan analyze, and we are calling the starts with method. Yeah. As we pass the welcome as the starts with option substring, it gives me the output as true. Yeah. If it is not there, then it will give me the output as false. Clear? Now let's see if we are able to use the start and end parameter and try to return the output, whether it is available in the string or not. Yeah. So let me take another example. So I'll use welcome since it's at the start of the string. Yeah. I'll use two. I'll use substring as equals to 2. Yeah. And I'll put here as substring. Yeah. Comma. Yes. 2 is at which value? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 is at 8th value. So let me put this as 3, comma, length of string. Yeah, which is 25. Yeah. And since it is at 8, I'll again try to put the length start of the string at 12. Since I know it is at 8, so let's see what is the output, whether it gives true or false. Both are false because I'm starting at 3 where it is not the starting point. So if I start at 3 which is at C, which is count. So if I start at 8, if I suppose start at 8, it should give me true. Yeah, you can see because 2 is starting from 8th index, and since it is at the start of the string which I have modified by using end, start and end, it is giving me the start to be true. Yeah. Whereas if I start from 12 with the same index or the same substring, it is giving me the output as false. Yeah. So majorly, uh, how do we use it? Yeah. If I have to write a program, yeah. So suppose I have the same option here. If I have to write a program where I specify the string as welcome. Yeah. So what we usually do in programming is, so if I try to if str string dot starts with sub str. Now, if this is true, print the string starts with given substring. Yeah. Or the string does not start with the given substring. So the substring is welcome. We want to find out whether the string starts with it or not. Yeah. So this is program 1 which you can use. Program or example 1, whatever you can say. Yeah. So this is how it's a one way of using this method to find out the right data in your information which is available. Yeah. So the string starts with the given substring. Yeah, which is welcome. Okay. Now let's start use the same program but with optional parameters. We'll do the same thing. We'll use two, yeah, and we use optional parameters, comma, 12 comma length of string. Yeah. So it should give me the second one. The string does not start with the given sum string. See this? Yeah. So this is how you can use start with, so that you can find a particular string. You can use the optional parameters to play along with your data to get the desired output. Yeah. Hope you understood this concept. Do like and share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. And do subscribe to my channel. Share, do comment on these videos if you have anything to say about it, or you want to give any more inputs on this video. And do subscribe to my channel to get such brilliant videos or this informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.